When it comes to improving the aesthetic appeal, ventilation, and energy efficiency of your home, choosing the right windows can make a world of difference. In New Orleans, where the weather can be hot and humid, having the right windows to protect your home from the elements while maintaining comfort is essential. Awning windows are a popular option among homeowners looking to boost their home's functionality, security, and overall curb appeal. In this article, we will explore the many benefits of installing awning windows in your New Orleans home and how they can improve the overall quality of your living space. Ideal for New Orleans rainy weather. One of the standout features of awning windows is their ability to protect your home from the elements, especially rain. In New Orleans, where rainstorms are common throughout the year, it can be difficult to keep your windows open for fresh air without letting moisture in. Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward, creating a unique design that lets in fresh air while keeping rainwater out. Because the window opens outward, water is deflected by the awning shape, allowing you to keep your windows open even during a downpour. This feature ensures that you can enjoy the fresh air, avoid moisture buildup, and maintain good ventilation even in stormy weather. If you're looking for windows that let you enjoy the breeze without worrying about water damage, awning windows are the perfect solution. Improved ventilation. Awning windows are designed to maximize airflow, making them an excellent choice for ventilation in your home. The way they open outward allows air to flow freely into your home while pushing stale air out. This feature promotes better circulation, helping to keep your home feeling fresh and comfortable, even on humid days. In humid climates like New Orleans, proper ventilation is key to preventing excess moisture from accumulating inside. Awning windows are perfect for areas like the kitchen, bathroom, or living room, where fresh air is essential for both comfort and health. With their top-hinged design, awning windows also offer an easy way to control the amount of ventilation you need, which is especially helpful when you want to maintain a balance between keeping your home cool and controlling indoor humidity. Energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is a major concern for homeowners in New Orleans, where the heat and humidity can put a strain on your cooling system. Awning windows are known for their tight seal and ability to insulate your home, reducing the load on your air conditioning system. This makes them an excellent choice for improving your home's energy efficiency. The unique design of awning windows provides better sealing than some other window types, helping to reduce the loss of cool air during hot summer months. When closed, the window presses tightly against the frame, which helps keep conditioned air inside and prevents hot outdoor air from seeping in. As a result, your energy bills are more likely to remain lower, and your home stays cooler in the summer. If you're looking to improve your home's energy efficiency and reduce your cooling costs, installing awning windows is a smart, cost-effective choice. Increased privacy. Another advantage of awning windows is that they provide increased privacy. Since these windows open outward from the top, they allow you to enjoy fresh air while still maintaining privacy. This feature is particularly useful in spaces like bathrooms, bedrooms, or ground-level rooms where you might be concerned about passers-by or neighbors seeing inside. Because of their design, awning windows can be positioned higher on the wall, further enhancing privacy while still allowing for ventilation and natural light. This makes them ideal for homes in urban areas or locations where privacy is a concern but fresh air and light are still important. Low maintenance and durability. Awning windows are not only functional but also low maintenance. Their durable construction and weather-resistant features make them well suited for the variable climate in New Orleans. Many awning windows are made from materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum, which require little upkeep and can withstand exposure to moisture, humidity, and rain. These materials are resistant to rot, warping, and rust, ensuring that your windows will last for years with minimal care. In addition, since the windows open outward, they are easy to clean, as you can simply wipe down the exterior surface without needing to lean out of the window or use a ladder. This convenience and long-lasting durability make awning windows an attractive option for homeowners looking to keep maintenance to a minimum. Aesthetic appeal and versatility. Awning windows can add both functionality and beauty to your New Orleans home. Available in a variety of materials, colors, and finishes, they can be customized to complement any style of home, from traditional to modern. Whether you're looking to add character to a bedroom, living room, or kitchen, awning windows can fit seamlessly with your home's existing design. In addition to providing great curb appeal, the versatile design of awning windows allows them to be installed in areas where other window styles may not be ideal, such as high walls, narrow spaces, or areas with limited room for windows to swing open. Their ability to be paired with other window styles, such as casement windows or picture windows, also makes them a flexible choice for creating a unique look for your home. Conclusion: awning windows for your New Orleans home. Installing awning windows in your New Orleans home offers a multitude of benefits, from improving ventilation and energy efficiency to enhancing privacy and curb appeal. Whether you're looking to enjoy fresh air without worrying about rain, reduce your cooling costs, or upgrade your home's aesthetic appeal, awning windows are a smart investment. With their unique design, low-maintenance features, and versatile functionality, awning windows can transform your home into a more comfortable, energy-efficient, and attractive space. If you're considering window replacements or new installations in your New Orleans home, awning windows provide the perfect combination of style and performance.